In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view tasks in Google Calendar. This skill can transform how you manage your time, keep track of your tasks, and ultimately how you accomplish your day-to-day activities. It's a simple process, but one that has significant benefits for personal organization and productivity. First things first, you'll need to navigate your way to Google Calendar. This is your gateway to not just managing your events, but also your tasks. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Google Calendar, or simply search for it online. Once you're on the page, the next step is to log in. You'll see the login option right there on the screen. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure it's the one associated with the calendar you want to view. Then you'll move on to type in your password. Double check to ensure it's correct to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your credentials, click on the Next button to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by the familiar interface of Google Calendar, a space where all your scheduled events lay in an organized format. But today we're shifting our focus to tasks, a feature that is equally beneficial, but perhaps not as widely utilized. To view your tasks, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you will find a button labeled Switch to Task. Click on it. This action essentially toggles your view from the calendar to your tasks. By clicking the Switch to Task option, you tell Google Calendar to bring your tasks into focus. This is where Google Calendar truly shines as an organizational tool. Tasks you've added previously, or tasks that are linked to specific dates on your calendar, will now be visible in this view. It's a neat way to see what needs to be done and by when, all incorporated into your calendar. Keep in mind, viewing tasks this way creates a seamless integration of events and tasks, making your planning process more fluid. You can see how your tasks align with your scheduled events, find appropriate slots for new tasks, and even modify existing tasks as your schedule changes. It's all right there in the Google Calendar interface. And that's it. You've now successfully switched your view to see your tasks within Google Calendar. Whether you're planning your day, organizing an event, or just trying to keep on top of all your deadlines, integrating tasks into your Google Calendar can make a world of difference. With just a few clicks, as we've seen, you can switch views and bring a whole new level of organization to your day. Remember, the key to making the most out of tools like Google Calendar lies in exploring all its features and integrating them into your daily planning. Viewing your tasks in Google Calendar not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. And with that, you're all set to use Google Calendar to its full potential. I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay organized and see you in the next video.